me start with one second. This Sefer Chofetz Chaim, and big topic is Tehillim, constructive listening. Okay, constructive listening. Just as it is not lawful to speak that would otherwise be considered a Rechilus for a constructive purpose, so too is not wrong to listen to Rechilus if the listener honestly believes that it is important for him to be aware of the information. Okay, we're going to see. This includes any discussion that would help the listener to protect himself from others who plan to harm him, or to protect others from damage about to be inflicted upon him. It is also permitted to listen to information that would be of help of rectifying the damage already done to oneself or others. In these cases, the discussion is not labeled as gossip; rather, it's for constructive speech. So, meaning that somebody will tell you, don't deal with this bank, for example. Right, you're trying to buy apartment, house, whatever you're trying to buy, and they say, if you go to this bank, there's a closing fee that they don't disclose. Then they add 50% to what they originally told you, like something like from nowhere. So I know that you're looking for a house, you want to buy a house. So don't go with this bank. Don't go with another, whatever you want. So I had this issue, my sister had this issue, so there is no problem. So because it is for constructive purpose, if I'm not buying the house, I'm not doing anything, with the banks, I have a checking account, that's it. So this information would be 100% Lashon Hara, Rechilus. I mean, it's not for, at least it's not for constructive purpose. But if I know that, or that person know that I'm looking for business, for a mortgage, so it would be for sure for constructive purpose. Or, for example, somebody wants to rent a hall, and he knows that you actually did some kind of celebration this hall, and he asks how this catering, how it was hall, and you can say why you ask it. Say, oh, because my son bar mitzvah is coming up in 3 months, so I want to know. Okay, you want to know, so now it's for constructive purpose. And you can answer these questions, of course, without exaggerating, of course, not because you hate the person, okay, but with all other restrictions. Okay, we stop here.